Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video where tech meets creativity. So in today's automation video, we'll be looking at output activities and the different output methods. So what we'll be looking at, so I'm coming to this website, weather.com, and I will be scraping out this text here and then displaying it to a message box. So go ahead and jump in. So I'll get my user application activity. I'll indicate the application. So once that's done, I'll get my get text activity. So as the name says, get text. You see here, it shows it to a text string. So it's whichever data it scraps, it's in text format, so it's a string. So if you come in the properties, these are the different properties. So the scraping methods, these are the different output methods. So we have default, we have text attribute, we have full text, and native. So the default leverages all the three. So whichever gives the result first, it will go with that. Then the text attribute picks the text attribute from the UI element that you're working with. So we'll see how that works in a bit. So the full text, it's in position to also pick the hidden text, so it's able to allow you to view the hidden text, or you can even ignore it if you decide. Then we have the native. So to know more about the properties, as you say, you can always come to the activity itself, right click, then you go to the documentation. So here you're able to see all the different properties and how. Also the other thing is the output method, but we'll look into that also. We'll get into that when I get there. So I'll go ahead and jump in. So I'll indicate my element. This is the element I want to scrap. I'll indicate it, and I'll also indicate. I'll give it an anchor because it didn't come with an anchor, so I'll go with this. But the anchor is always a try and test. You can always test and get the best anchor. So I'll validate all as well. I'll confirm. I'll use that. So I'll keep this to my temperature variable. So I'll create a variable. I'll name it temperature. And receive all that's of type text. So once that, I'll display that to a message box. So get a message box, and I'll be displaying my temperature. So I'll say the temperature. The temperature is alternated with temperature. Sorry, the string, so I don't need to do the toString. So I want to show you something. So I'm clicking on three dots here, and then I'm clicking on preview hidden text. Preview extraction. My bad. I'm clicking on three dots, then I'm clicking on preview extraction. So with the preview extraction, so you're able to see the different scraping methods and their output. So the default automatically it leverages all of them. So our output is that. So the text, it's able to pick that. text attribute. Also the full text, you see, it gives you the option of you're able to ignore text, and also the native, which allows formatting, and also you can be in position to get what coordinates. So yeah, so that's the beauty of that. So you're able to see what you're working with. So close, and I will go ahead and run. First close here. I'll go ahead and run. So you see, I'm saying the temperature is 24 degrees, so I'm able to pick my temperature very well. So that's about the output activities and the output methods. So we have looked at the output activity, which is the get text, and then the different output methods. We have seen the default one, which leverages all the three different types of output methods. We have looked at the text attribute, which picks the text attribute of the UI element that you're working with. We have looked at the full text, which enables you to view hidden text and allow to view hidden text, where you can also ignore it if you want. We have also looked at the native, which enables you to allow formatting and also pick the word coordinates. So still on the output still on the output methods in UiPath. You can always come here to do more reading about them. You see, we have full text, we have native. You see how there are different attributes like background execution, extract position, all those. So you can always come here and do much more reading. And as well, in your free time, you can look at this use case that I'm going to show you here in a minute. So in your free time, you could look at this problem statement. So this is the use case. So it's saying the verbal process using the modern experience that automates the extraction. It has to read input from an Excel. Open the ACME system. I've shown you the ACME system before. It's here. That one, you have to create an account there. And then for each invoice in the Excel, search the invoice number, extract the invoice details. Yeah. So to access this, you can come to you're gonna come to the UiPath Academy and create an account. I'm gonna leave the details in the description. Yeah, so that's it about for this video. If you did find the video useful, consider subscribing and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. I'm out.